The operations staff at PlanetLab remotely maintains and administers your nodes. There is usually no need for you to become involved in day-to-day maintenance, although you may occasionally be asked to reboot. You may also need to temporarily remove your nodes from PlanetLab to repair or upgrade your nodes. Technical contacts are able to change the node state of nodes on their site. There are several recognized boot states: boot, safe boot diagnose, fail boot debug, disabled, install, reinstall. Boot. The node is able to contact PlanetLab and should allow the creation of slices. Safe boot diagnose. The node is running, but slice users are not permitted access. Only PlanetLab staff or site administrators can access the node. This is also called safe mode, used for emergency situations and for administrators to access these nodes. Fail boot debug. This mode is entered if the machine has some problem reaching boot mode, for instance, due to network failure, hardware failure, or an integrity problem with the installed software. Disabled. A node that is disabled will remain in safe mode, but will also be exempt from automated actions. This state is appropriate when scheduled downtime is needed, or when replacing hardware, for instance, a bad disk. Install. When a machine is initially added to the PlanetLab database, it is set to install mode. When booting, the machine will prompt the local console to confirm that it is okay to wipe out the current content of the disk. Upon completion of the installation, the mode automatically switches to boot state. Reinstall. Like install, but no confirmation is requested. A tech contact will only put a node into one of the following boot states: boot, safe boot diagnose, disabled, reinstall. Fail boot debug and install are states that a node may be in, but you will not actively change the node into these states. Before powering off or rebooting a node for scheduled maintenance, please try to notify all users of the node first by emailing the PlanetLab users mailing list. Users at lists.planet-lab.org. To switch node boot states, log in. Select My Site Nodes. On the My Site Nodes page, you can see the boot state of your site's nodes. Select the node you want to change. On the Node Details page, you can see the observed boot state. This is the state of the node. Select your preferred boot state. Click Update Node. Safe Boot Diagnose Mode. In an emergency situation, such as a hardware failure or a verified security event, you may reboot your nodes into a secure administrative diagnosis state. Slices will not run in this state, and only staff at PlanetLab operations will be able to access the nodes. Unless a hard drive has failed, slice data, or forensic evidence of a compromise, will not be lost. To place a node into safe boot or diagnose mode, visit the node's details page on the website and select Diagnose or Safe Boot as its boot state. Log into the node using the site_admin account and execute sudo /sbin/shutdown -r5. Emergency, please save your work and log out. This text string will be sent to logged-in users and the log indicating why the machine will be shut down. If you cannot log into the node via SSH or the console, you may send to the node a specifically formed ICMP packet called the PlanetLab Ping of Death, or POD, that will immediately reboot it. Click Stop to attempt this action. You may only stop nodes that are in boot state, so if you place the node into diagnose state, put it back into boot state before clicking Stop. Disable mode. For a planned situation, such as a scheduled power outage or moving equipment, you may need to remove your nodes from PlanetLab. Slices will not run in this state, and only staff at PlanetLab operations will be able to access the nodes. Unless a hard drive has failed, slice data or forensic evidence of a compromise will not be lost. To place a node in disabled mode, visit the node's details page on the website and select Disabled as its boot state. Log in to the node using the site_admin account and execute sudo /sbin/shutdown -h5. This node will be temporarily disabled. Please save your work and log out. This text string will be sent to logged in users and the log, indicating why the machine will be shut down. Reinstall mode. For repairs or upgrades, such as replacing a disk or other hardware, you may reboot after taking a node offline. Slices will not run in this state, and only staff at PlanetLab operations will be able to access the nodes. Slice data will be lost. To place a node into reinstall mode, visit the node's details page on the website and select Reinstall as its boot state. Log into the node using the site_admin account and execute sudo /sbin/shutdown -h5. This node is being temporarily disabled and rebooted. Please save your work and log out. This text string will be sent to logged in users and the log, indicating why the machine will be shut down. Shut down the node. Perform the necessary service. Reboot the machine.